Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet an iCard, and you can use it as your purse strap or as a jewelry, or you can use as a string. This is how it looks like. So let's get started. Starting with the slip knot. Now it's fine. Starting with the slip knot, chain 3, or you can do it with more loops also, but I'm starting with chain 3. Now start pulling up a loop. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up a loop. And pull up a loop. Now you simply have to yarn over, pull through one loop, pull through the other, and pull through the third one. Again, you'll notice that you have 3 loops on your hook. Pinch these loops so that they do not get loose. Draw through one, draw through second, and then the third one. Again, you have 3 loops. And our iCard would look something like this. You can make as much long as you want, and then when you have finished making the iCard, draw through all the loops together, make a chain, cut the yarn and fasten off. So your iCard will look something like this. You can also use it as a bracelet. So here is the one I made. I have attached a little button over here, and I have also made a loop over here. So it really looks like good if you are making it as a bracelet. You can see like this, and you can have a button over here. Insert the button into the loop. So you can make a bracelet out of the iCard with your matching dress. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Stay tuned, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also share my videos so that everyone would love it and like it. Have a great day.